RFID Access is a new solution from Tech Solutions for vehicle access control to business parks and security estates. Vehicles are tagged with a microchip, which are scanned by scanners at each lane. As vehicles approach the RFID lane, the scanner scans the microchip and checks in its database if that vehicle is allowed access. If that is the case, the boom is opened and the vehicle allowed to pass through. RFID Access also enhances the experience and security of tenants by allowing entry without requiring vehicles to come to a complete stop. RFID Access also works well with motorized gates. One scanner can cover 2 adjacent lanes, typically 1 lane in and 1 lane out. Each scanner has a GPRS modem. This is used to send the daily log to the RFID Access website, where it can be accessed online by site managers. RFID Access, the future of vehicle access control.